Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to change the Opera browser display language. First, open the Opera browser. Then, open Settings. Choose the language option. You can choose to let the Opera browser offer you to translate pages in this language or to display the Opera browser in this language. Add language. Then choose your language. Click Add. You can move the language up, down, top, or remove it. After you choose to display Opera in this language, you have to relaunch the Opera browser. You can add another language and do the same steps.